Kabuli Palaw, the tasteful Afghan pilaf with carrots and raisins. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarish. There are many delicious food in Afghan cuisine, but Kabuli Palaw, it's their national dish. Palaw means cooked mixed rice, and the name Pilaf has its origin from this word. Let's get to the ingredients. You need 400 grams either chicken, lamb or beef, 4 big onions and 5 to 6 carrots, 300 grams basmati rice, 1.5 teaspoon caraway, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 4 pods of green cardamom, a half teaspoon cinnamon, salt, black pepper. You also need 1 teaspoon sugar for the carrots. I like to use cane sugar, 100 grams raisins, and vegetable oil for cooking and frying. If you have chicken stock, it takes your food to the next level. Rinse the rice several times and soak it for 30 minutes. Slice the onions in long stripes. Cut the carrots the same way. Caramelize the onions with oil in a big pot. Then add the meat of your choice and give it a fast fry. Get the spices in and pour some water to cover the meat and let it cook for 45 minutes on medium heat. In the meantime, caramelize the raisins on medium heat. When they swell and get pale, they are ready. Watch out, they tend to burn easily. Take them out and fry the carrots in the same pan. If you like sweet food, add the sugar, but you can skip it because carrots and raisins are already sweet. Fry them until they are tender and put them aside. When the meat is done, take them out of the pot and add the rice inside. Make sure the water doesn't stand more than 1.5 cm above the rice. You can add the chicken stock if you need more liquid. Let the rice cook on high heat for 5 minutes and then get the chicken back to the pot. Now set the heat on medium and let the water reduce until the rice appears on top. Now you can add carrots and raisin on top of the rice. No need to mix it for now. Cover the pot with a cloth and put the lid on it. And reduce the heat to low. Let the rice steam for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I dice some cucumbers, add some salt and yogurt to it. It goes really well with this dish. After 10 minutes, the rice is ready. Make sure the rice is not wet. If so, you need to remove the lid and let it on low heat a while longer. Look at this appetizing color and fluffiness of this rice. The chicken is super tender. This food is strong in taste and rich in flavors, with a pinch of sweetness. You need to try it. If you like the video, give us a thumb up, and if you want to support us, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.